Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a new folder on your iOS device easily. Okay, so first thing we have to do is just go into the files, and after you go there you just need to go into the browsed. Okay, this is the looks when you first time open your files. You can just go click on my iPhone to find out what files that's still outside of the folders. Okay, so stay organized by creating a folders for the same used of the files that you save on your device. So how to create the new document, you just need to go click the three small dots on the upper right corner, and after that you just need to go click new folder. And now you just need to type the name of the folder related to the use of the files that you want to save into this folder. For example, like a drawing. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click done. And now to filling this folder, you just need to choose which files that you want to put into the new folders by go click these three small dots, and after that go click select, and now you just need to choose which file that you want to add to. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click one of them and hold it until several options appear like this, and after that you just need to go click move items, and now choose which folders that you want to choose to save the files. Okay, our files previously we name it as a drawing, so you just need to click just this and go click move, and now those files also already saved in a drawing folder. So that's the tutorial to create the new folders on your iOS device. If you find out that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.